To check your transaction history on Coinbase, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform and find the information you need. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Open your web browser or the Coinbase app and enter your login credentials. Make sure you are using the correct email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Portfolio section. Once logged in, look for the Portfolio tab on the main dashboard. Click on it to access your account's assets and transaction details. Step 3. Access transaction history. In the Portfolio section, find the option labeled Transactions or Activity. Click on this to view a comprehensive list of all your past transactions, including buys, sells, and transfers. Step 4. Filter your transactions. To make it easier to find specific transactions, use the filtering options available. You can filter by date, range, type of transaction, or asset. Adjust these settings to narrow down your search. Step 5. Export your transaction history optional. If you need to keep a record of your transactions, look for an option to export your transaction history. This is usually available in CSV format, which you can download and save for your records. Now you can easily check your transaction history on Coinbase. Regularly reviewing your transactions can help you keep track of your investments and manage your portfolio effectively.